बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आपको वर्कशीट एक दी हुई है, वर्कशीट नंबर 2। उसमें एक क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है, बट इन द डिफरेंट नेम। जस्ट लाइक you have studied the coordinate system. The first point is x point and the second point is the y point. But now here we will say this x point will be the domain and y point will be the range. All the x value will be the domain and all the y values would be the range. Here the question comes, you have to. I will do some of the questions and some of the parts to make it more clear about the domain and range. In question number 5, find the range of each of the following function f of x is equal to x plus 4 of x. Now we have to get the range. Actually, the f of x is equal to y. In function, we have studied the function f of x, whenever it will come, we will consider it is y. So we have to get the value of y. X greater than 8 means if suppose I keep the value of x 8, my answer comes 12. What would be the range of this? F of x is greater than 12. The value of y would be greater than 12. Why greater than 12? Because it is not equal to 8. But I have kept x 8. Whatever the answer will come, you will that would be the greater than that number. You may do this question. If it is x greater than 8, you may write greater than 8 mean 9. So I will write 9 plus 4. It comes 13. It's mean the range would be f of x greater than and equal to 13. We may write the answer in both the way. Both are correct. Both the ways are correct. So I have explained to you both the way. You may keep the value of x greater than 8. I suppose greater than 8 is 9. I have done 9 plus 4, 13. Then in this case, I will write the range f of x greater than equal to 13. If you will keep 8, then you will write f of x is greater than 12. This would be the range of this function. Now, we will do the b part even. Now, if the domain given in this form, so turn by turn you will have to keep the value of this x in this equation. 2 minus 3 minus 7 minus 6 minus 7 minus 13. Now we'll keep here f minus 3. Now f2, 2 into 2 minus 7, 4 minus 7 minus 3. Now the range of this function we will write minus 13 less than equal to f of x less than equal to minus 3. Minimum value, the maximum value. In this way, you will have to keep both the values turn by turn in your equation to write the final answer in this form. Now, comes to question number 6. A part. Now in question number 6, even we have to find the range again. But in this case, equation is given x square minus 2. X belongs to a real number. Real number means any number we can take it. So keep x 0 minus 2. The f of x is greater than and equal to minus 2. We may keep any number, right? Now comes to B part. Fine. Now, in this case, when the domain is given and the equation is quadratic, in the last question number 5, equation was the linear equation, x plus I was written x plus 4. Now here the quadratic equation. Now learn one thing more. The range is, the y value is the minimum value. We have to write it over here. Now, suppose I keep minus 2 in place of x. What I will get? 4 plus 3, 7. If I will keep 5, 28. But this means the value of x lie in between minus 2 and 5. Moreover, keep minus 1. This is the 4. This is not the minimum value. We have to write the final answer range. The first is minimum and the second is the maximum value. Again keep 0. 3. If you will keep 1, it is 4. It's mean the minimum value is 3. So my final answer I will write 3 less than equal to f of x less than and equal to 28. Actually, you have already studied in the O level. This is the lower bound value. It is the upper bound value. Here we always write the maximum value. Here we always write the minimum value. So in quadratic equation, you have to check where does the minimum value lies. So I have kept, first I have kept minus 2, it comes 7. Then I have kept minus 1, it comes 4. When I have kept 0, it comes 3. When I have kept 1, it comes 4. It's mean the minimum value of this scenario is 3. And this you will have to check by putting the values. We'll do one more part. The D part. Or another way, you may sketch the curve and you will see where the curve takes the turn. When the curve where does the takes the turn, this value is the minimum value. And this value we have to write where does it touch to the y-axis. Is D part. For minus 1 to 2. First, I will get the maximum value by keeping 2 in this equation, minus 5. Now, I will have to see where does the value of minus 1 lie. Just like 7 minus 3, if I keep minus 1, I will get 7 minus 3, 4. 7 minus 3, 0. If I will keep 0, then it comes 7. If I will keep 1, again comes 4. It's mean the minimum value lies when I have kept F2 and the maximum value lies when I have kept F0. So the way of writing the range answer is -5 less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to 7. Here always comes the minimum value, here always comes the maximum value, and this you will have to check by putting the domain in this equation, and you will come to know where does the maximum value go and where does it comes the minimum value. Just see, I have kept the maximum value 2 and get the minimum, and I have kept the minimum 1 and get the maximum. It depends upon your equation. Okay, where your equation is in which type. No. Question number 7, even C part.